Let's examine a few things. We have changed, actually upgraded the service. We are doing now, instead of putting the chat or the calls on a regular GoToMeeting chat, we are putting them on students or members Slack window. Slack window, this one here, you could see it on your cell phone. People will see it, or students or members who join us, they will see it. They will see the call on their phone. So whether we do the trade after hours, during the session, the notes will be delivered. Here's the first call of the day. Excuse me, of the day. Wheat March contract reversal short level 45, 455 to 456 is my short area. That's what I wanted to do. And of course, I also established a stop, and then I moved it afterwards throughout the session. But again, well, my first target I set 488, which was a mistake. I said 448, so first target was met. See earlier. So we got a nice 20, 25 ticks move depending on your entry first target. And then it's still hovering. Now let me show you why I picked as a student. If you are with me as a student, I will show you now. So that being said, initially on ZW, it's been 2 weeks since I'm very beginning of February. I said I'm looking for a long on ZW to go to 456. Actually, we got that. And then I could not benefit from the long, so I thought let me benefit from the short. So now we are short on ZW. As you see, Zach had a pound New Zealand short that was 2:14 a.m. Eastern, but it was London open. So it's a mix of trades. This window could, will give signals to students. So this is moving forward. This is the new add-on, okay? And also notes. In this window, nobody's allowed to type except for me, Zach, and the team, Eugene, Jay, whomever the team is. All right. Pound, Swiss franc, long. So these trades are typed entries and stops all, and if you follow them according, you can go to the time and you will see what time was taken. You can go to the charts and see what happened to that. It's documented. So throughout the day today, I had, for example, long on NatGas. NatGas, I had a long, and I will show you the reason for it. And a long on NatGas was from this line. We got first target, and then I moved my stop loss. And I didn't move my stop loss, but my stop loss was very tight, about 5-6 ticks or so, or maybe 10 ticks. But first target was good enough for me to secure my stop. And after that, I said I'll have to keep my stop loss small because my next level of entry is 2.84, which is the lower line here. So I'm not going to risk a bigger stop. I'll wait for the market to come back, and I'm expecting NatGas to go much higher. And same methodology I use, it's used also by Zach. Zach being a student first, and then now he's helping us with the call. Same thing. Very good results from Zach to this. Forex today was very good. I had a trade on CAD yen since yesterday that actually gave us profit, and then now we got stopped out. Euro yen today we got in. If you see the bottom window, I think
Euro USD.
Euro US, I'm sorry. Thank you, Zach. Euro USD was a good entry as well today, long. See, sometimes I would say watching CL long from 53.10 area. 53.10 is here, but I said I'm not in yet, so I don't have confirmation to take it. We also have what, pound yen. Zach just called when we took a break this afternoon, 12 o'clock. He called it. Look, at 12:54 p.m. Pound yen short from I'm in at 66, so he's in at 42.66, right from the very top here, and he's looking for a target of maybe 20 ticks first target. So it is not only learning the method, understanding it, but also we are calling trades in the room and beyond the room hours as well. In some instances, the market will be tough for some instruments. For example, today, I was very interested in finding a short on NASDAQ. And I said 53 level is going to be a very important level to bring it down. And I said it's going to come back down to 48, and then my last target would be 52.40. So I was looking for 13, 14 points move. My stop loss, my first trade, if you see in the Slack, it was 56. So I got stopped out barely, and then the market moved nicely to the bottom to 53.40. It took it by 2 ticks, and this is when I called a long. You see that? NQ long, 42.40, stop 42.38 at 10:38 a.m. And I said last target 52.50. I moved my stop loss to break even after the first target, right? And then I also moved my last target. I said 52.52. Oh, sorry, 42.52. But in the process, I moved my stop loss to lock in profits, 5 points on the runner. It took me out 5 points on the runner, so I made 44 ticks on this trade. But then look what happened. It came to 52. When it came to 52, do you see what happened here? Watch what happened at 52. It actually bounced down about 3 points right here, right more, right here, and then it did not continue, just went back up again. So it was a tough catching the short, but the long made it back. And today, Forex was a lot better than futures. That's all I can say. Basically, Zach called a trade on first trade of the day was 74.55. It was right here, short. See, 2:14 a.m. was actually here, to somewhere here. Okay, and look at the short. Very nice. There's a big chance for the ZW to give us a couple of hundred ticks move down. Euro US, I think there's a big chance for the Euro US to go for 100 to 300 ticks high. What else do we have running, Zach? So looking at multiple instruments, including Forex and futures, that will give us the chance of trading whatever is moving, whatever is ripe or ready to be traded at certain hour, certain time. We don't have to struggle with, let's say, the Nasdaq was a struggle today, the TF was a struggle today. No particular or entries available to us. YM, same thing. ES very hard to trade. So I don't have to wait for the market, for these 2-3 markets, just to give me entries. And by waiting for those markets,
T1 is out on pound yen.
Nice, excellent. So basically, waiting for the market or waiting for 1 or 2 instruments, sometimes it will take you a week to find a move, and that wait will prompt you, will force you sometimes to make mistakes by taking trades that are not necessary because you waited for long. You want to trade. So the idea we have here is, looking at multiple instruments. I don't care if the Nasdaq doesn't move for a week or 2 weeks. I can get busy with other instruments, including Forex. Nice, Zach. So pound yen first target is out. So here, 20 ticks out. That's 40 ticks or pips in profit. First target, because we take 2/3 on the first target. So I explained to you why I looked at ZW trade, why I looked at NatGas trade, why I'm looking for actually another entry possible from a little bit lower, if it goes lower to 80.84. ZS soybean, I'm looking for possibly reversal from around this box here. And why I took Euro US, I explained that in details, so you understand why I took it, especially for the new members who are going through the material.